Start by saying the idea and the concept of more factories is something we support, but it's important for us to appreciate that there's also the private sector, and the government can't do everything. So what we are quite keen to do, where we can do it, is to support the private sector, particularly when it comes to manufacturing, including food processing. I will commend some of the private sector entrepreneurs on the island who've already commenced that process. For example, the Windfresh facility in St. David, which was closed down and laid dormant for a long time, that has been bought over by Mr. Leroy Nichols and his family. They're planning to get it up and going, to be making ice creams, etc. Having said that, the government has acquired a site in Lacalome in St. David's. Repair work is taking place there now, so that we can actually provide factory space to our small agro-processors and so on, so that they can go to an environment where, if they themselves can't do the agro-processing because they don't have a facility, that we provide one for them. A number of initiatives that we are working on to help support our agro-processors and to have factories. So a factory doesn't always have to be a big one. You know, a factory could actually be in your kitchen once the health and safety conditions are met, and we know a lot of our small agro-processors start that way before they grow. But it's something we're committed to supporting. I too don't like to see mangoes or pineapple spoiling. And finally, we're hoping that we can get the Marketing and National Importing Board rebranded and reorganized and back on stream in the not too distant future. And we think that will also give us an opportunity to see how we can bring agro-processing and more factories to the fore.